everybody, welcome back to my channel. Stu's over here doing a dance number, I think. So we have another Jessie and Stu day. It's a hair day. So we have 4 shadowers and 6 clients, I believe. So it's gonna be a crazy day. We're gonna take you along. You know the drill. These videos happen every so often. But right now we're back in the warehouse and I'm waiting for the nanny to come pick up Jagger. So he is helping Grandma ship today. Do you know how to do the job?
I know how to ship.
Are you shipping? Can you do it?
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, good boy! Yay! Okay, next one. Oh, it's so cute. Are you excited for today?
Yes, I love a shadow day. It's my favorite thing we do.
Oh yeah.
Besides traveling.
Oh wait, show them your nails. Stu just got Stu's crew nails. How freaking cute. And we both did flames without even knowing. How funny is that? So cute. All right, we've got our coffee. We are ready to go.
Hi, I'm Savannah. I'm from Highland, Utah, and I'm excited to learn the unseen method. Hi, my name is Haley, and I'm from Pleasanton, California, and today I'm really excited to learn from the masters themselves and to implement this all the way back home.
Hi, my name is Ivana. We came all the way from Texas, and I'm so excited to learn here at Jay-Z Styles today.
Hi, my name is Amber. We're from Corpus Christi, Texas, and I am here ready to learn from the queen herself.
We are given the gram, which is the lighter piece, and we're going to mix a little bit in the back, but most of it. It's going to be perfect. It's all weird.
It's gonna look so cute before you have your color done.
I know, it's going to look amazing.
We just put these in and we're like, okay, have fun at your wedding.
Okay, you guys, so the first step is installing extensions so we can perfectly match her color to the extensions. We put in 2 rows of wefts and we did the Bentley and the Graham, and then we're going to add tape-ins after the color. And what we are doing is 2 different formulations since we have to work with her natural regrowth and then also the pre-lightened ends she has. So on the base, we are doing Goldwell Colorants 5N, 4N with 10 volume. And then on the ends, we're doing Redken Shade to Q 7GB, 5G, 4N with 10 volume. And then I did do a few money piece foils around the face, but I didn't do lightener. She already had a pretty bold money piece and we did not need to bleach it again. So I basically did my sectioning what I would have done, but I did conditioner in the foils to keep those protected and away from the color that we were doing. And then we toned those at the bowl.
Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there.
We did not color her extensions. We did just her natural hair. Sometimes if you're doing a root color like this though, it's okay if it gets on the extensions a little bit. It kind of helps root the extensions if needed, but we did not drag it down through the extensions at all. And that's why we have a foil underneath some of the sections of hair so that it doesn't bleed.
Stay in the morning. Stay in the morning with me. You moment.
Okay, so we just toned her money pieces with 9NB, 8V, 8GI, and then just like a little bit of 7NB as well. And we are blow drying her, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like at the final result.
Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me.
I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do to take someone lighter. She's been dark for almost a year. We originally did her hair like all over dark, kind of like mine. I'm gonna insert a photo right here, and it was last fall. So she's let her hair grow out for almost a year, and we're gonna be lightening her up, chopping her hair, and we're gonna do a fun transformation. So I am currently doing another client, so I'm gonna take you over here and show you how Stu is getting started, and then I'm gonna jump in and help.
See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for
Okay, you guys, so with Asia's hair, her hair is so thick. She literally has the best hair on earth, and the fact that she hasn't colored it in a year is awesome because it's gonna lift way easier than if she had been maintaining the dark hair. And her hair is super coarse, and it actually has a lot of curl in it, so we've got to do a lot of foils to get her blonde. So we're starting in the back. Piper is highlighting back there, and then in the front, Stu is starting on the face frame, and we're just doing, honestly, a full head of baby lights, very fine weaving, slices around the face for the money piece, and we're also gonna tip out the ends.
Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment, give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me.
All right, so now we're tipping out the ends. This is something we do when someone wants to go a lot lighter. So basically I take the dropouts of like 3 or 4 foils, highlight, and then usually tease, and we are just going to feather lightener on there. I love to do it on all of the dropouts in the money piece area though, so that those get extra blonde.
Ripped your heart, got a brand new one.
It's so funny. That's crazy.
There is so many foils on your head.
7 hours later.
Got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame burn out for a while.
Okay, 3 hours later, we are actually to the processing point. So after she was done lifting, we rinsed her out with clarifying shampoo, did a Olaplex treatment mids to ends, and then we rooted her, and now I am just combing through. It lifted so good, especially that front area. It is so beautiful.
Love it. Okay, this is what it looks like processing. So satisfying. We're gonna leave the front out for the very end, but that root is on and we're mixing up the end toner right now. We're gonna tone with 8V, 9P, 9N.
Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment, give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me.
She texted me yesterday and she's like, hey,
I'm on my tip toes right now. This is so awkward.
the toning special.
This is what you get every time you.
Welcome to JC Styles. We recently changed from doing a la carte to bundles. One of the bundles you can get it is called The Process and what's the lap dance that starts with a P? A process in my pony.
What? Process and pony.
Process and pony.
That's not funny.
I cannot wait to see this. It's perfect. It lifted so good. I cannot believe it.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Yeah, no one showed her to the end.
Right now we're actually doing a fun little chop. So we are going to be giving her a mid-length lob. So I always start off by parting off with the different sections. So I like to start underneath. I do that one about 1/2 inch shorter than the rest of the hair. And then I just kind of work my way up. She wants it a teeny bit longer in front, but not much. So I'm directing everything to the back. And then when I get into the front, I'll front, I will fine tune it. And then since her hair is so thick and coarse, we do have to texturize and add some layering to break it up so it's not too heavy.
Let's do a little dusting.
Oh, we're gonna take the cape off.
Yeah, we're gonna take the
Okay,
cape
you have
off. She doesn't
a
want
blanket
that.
on? You have Sky's blanket on?
No, this
Wait,
is my
I'm
blanket.
dying. I didn't even notice that.
I did not pack for cold weather.
Yeah, it's
so I brought a
colder here than
blanket.
it's been. Like the last like few days, I'm like, oh, it's cold.
Okay, you just hold on over there, okay?
It's just like very lived in and like.
Do you like the cut?
Yeah, that kind of cute on her.
She doesn't even need them. She's just lucky.
What is on your fingertip? Oh, I thought you had something over the finger.
I was like, my henna?
Right.
You ready? Yeah. No pressure since everyone's staring. This is literally an audience. What if you eat it?
I'm gonna love it.
I hope so.
If it, I mean, the
Can
fact
you
that I
even
have
see
an
it?
audience
Yeah.
makes me very confident about it.
Okay, can I do it?
Okay, yeah, you can do it.
Okay.
Oh, shut up. Oh my gosh. Nick's gonna die.
You're a whole new woman.
I am a whole new
This is the
woman.
Asia we knew and loved.
This is the Asia that she was almost there before.
Uh-huh.
She's there. Wow.
This Asia works out. This Asia.
This Asia
works out Orange Theory.
I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Alright, so what we're doing, wait, you want to pull up that picture? We can show them too. Alright, so what we're doing for Christina is, you see, she's just a little lighter. I feel like this is the lightest I've ever seen you. Have you ever been this?
No, I've been lighter.
Just kidding. But Christina's going back to her roots to a little bit of a darker color. We're going to be adding in some dimension, bringing her root down, leaving subtle pops where it's not this light. So, I'm going to start by parting her off because we're going to do like a root retouch first. And then what we're going to do after that is do a full low light, scatter them throughout to add more depth. And our low light formula is actually going to be a formula that is just like a lighter brown, kind of like more neutral tone. That's going to be our lighter pops whenever we go through, and everything that's just dropped out of the foil, so we're going to be coloring that dark. Because this is the Christina I want. A -2 is what her color would be if it was on the...
So for Christina, we did a root color first, and we did like a 3N just to kind of darken and deepen her up. And then we are doing low lights throughout, and then we're also going to tone all of the dropouts like you see here.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen.
Okay, Kara's an awesome client because she only colors her hair like twice a year, and we just do move-ups every other time that she comes in. So all we did was deepen her root and tone her up to freshen her up, and then we did tape-ins, and we did 2 rows of jade-tied wefts with tape-in fillers, and it turned out so beautiful.
See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Ready?
Yeah.
A two. A 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to
How do you feel? Good. Looks good.
I love it.
Happy images of it.
Give you a moment of me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in a moment with me.
This is my cousin Jen. I'm sure you've seen her in a ton of videos. We basically just need to maintenance her. We used to never do fulls, and so we've actually been doing fulls the last few times to break through the bottom and get that brighter so you can see how beautiful it turned out. We basically just did a full highlight, toned, root shadowed, and she is ready to go. She's having a baby soon, so now she's all freshened up. Okay, you guys, that is the end of our crazy day. We just finished. We finished cleaning up and we are ready to head out. It was a long day. We're exhausted, but it was so fun. We got so many good photos and we had so many amazing clients today and awesome shadowers. It's 7:40. So that was only like a 10-hour day. That wasn't too bad. So let me know if you like videos like this and if you would like to see more in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.